Hello everyone. In this video what we'll see is how do we model plumbing fixtures and how do we connect them. So this is the architecture model that we'll be using. This is the model that is linked to our MEP project. So if you look at this building, there's only one restroom which has one water closet, one urinal, and there's one wash basin. So let's go ahead and insert these fixtures, because these fixtures, their location and their type will be specified by the architect in an architecture model. Let's go to systems. We already have some family loaded. Let's click on plumbing fixtures. Let's get a water closet, a floor mounted one, public. Let's use this. Let's insert this water closet somewhere here. Let's go ahead and select a urinal or maybe a wash basin first. So 20 by 18 public, and let's put that wash basin somewhere here. Let's select a urinal. Let's select a urinal, actually this one, 3/4 inch flush wall, and let's place it somewhere here. Let's select them, press Ctrl and select all of them, copy them to clipboard and paste, align to first floor, because we are actually working on second floor. So if I go to first floor, those fixtures have been copied here. Let's also insert at the roof level a water heater. So let's assume that it's an attic. So let's go to insert, let's load a family, plumbing, MEP, equipment, water heater and water heater. So let's come here, let's go to architecture component, and let's place this water heater where we can get sufficient height in the attic. Let's say somewhere here. Click modify, click to save it, and let's go ahead and close this and open our MEP project. So this is our MEP project. As you can see, we are already in plumbing view. So the second floor and first floor. So let's first go to 3D plumbing. Let's get rid of this CAD file and let's go to collaborate and let's copy monitor. So click on copy monitor, select link, select the link, copy, select multiple, select everything. Let's filter out everything but plumbing fixtures. Click OK. So those are selected. Let's press Ctrl and select the water heater. Let's click finish and let's finish again. So now these elements are copied. Now what we'll do is we'll create a system of drainage, a system of water supply. So click on one fixture and let's click on piping and let's create a sanitary system. Sanitary 1, click OK. Let's edit this system. We want to add to this system this fixture, this and this remaining 3. Finish editing system. So if I hover my mouse and hit tab, you can see that all of these are part of one sanitary system. Let's go ahead and click on one and let's create another water supply system. So let's click on piping. It's domestic cold water. Click OK. Edit to system and add to system. We know that the cold water will be supplied to all of these fixtures and also the water heater. So let's select all of them. Click finish editing system. So if I come here and hover my mouse and hit tab, and you can see it's a domestic cold water system. And we know that the hot water will be only connected to the water heater and these 2 wash basins. There will not be any hot water supplied to the water closet or urinals. So let's click on one of the wash basin, click on piping, domestic hot water 1, click OK, edit system, add to system, this and this, and finish editing system. If I hover my mouse and come here and hit tab, as you can see, this is the hot water system that we just created. Okay, so let's go to first floor plumbing view and let's first create our drainage system. So we'll create a vertical riser in this wet wall or a duct which will be carrying a vertical riser pipe, and then we'll draw horizontal offshoots that will be connected to these fixtures. So let's go to system, let's go to pipe. Let's select a 4-inch diameter, make sure it's 4 inch. Make sure under properties, a system type is selected as sanitary. Let's go ahead and check slope. We don't want any slope, it's a vertical pipe. So click on switch off slope and let's create an offset of -6 inches. So we'll draw from -6 inches and that will be somewhere here, and we want it to go to, let's say, plus 18 feet. So click on apply twice, 1 and 2. And as you can see, it has created a pipe here. It's a vertical riser. Now it looks pretty big, and the reason it looks big because its detail level is coarse, and we cannot change the detail level because its visual properties or the display properties are connected by this template which is called plumbing plan. So click on this and let's exclude detail level from here, and let's exclude display style from here. So when we exclude, we can control them from here. So click apply and click OK. Now come here and change detail level to fine, and now you can see it has gained its actual size. So now it's time to draw a horizontal pipe. Now this horizontal pipe will be sloping, so it will be sloping up so that the drainage can slope down to this pipe. So let's go to pipe and click on pipe. I'm going to draw 4-inch diameter pipe. Let's change offset to -12 inches. On first floor, let's switch on slope up because we're going to draw slope up this way. Let's select a slope 1/8 inch in 12 inches, and let's come here and click here and draw a pipe until somewhere here. And it would say that none of these elements are visible. That's fine, because we are drawing at -1 foot. That pipe will not be visible in this view. Let's go to second floor view, and we'll have to get rid of this CAD file again here. Let's hide it, and let's come here and change this detail level to fine so we see the actual size. Let's go and click on pipe. Let's create a horizontal pipe here also, 4-inch diameter. Offset is -12 inches from second floor. Sanitary pipe under properties, it's fine. Slope up, slope is fine. So let's draw from here to somewhere here. Click on modify, click on OK. And let's go to our plumbing 3D view. And as you can see here that this is a vertical pipe and these are horizontal ones. So let's go ahead and make the detail level to fine and display style to shaded. So you see here that we have created this particular system of drainage. So the first thing you'll do is click on a fixture. Let's say this water closet, and when you click on it, then there is contextual menu that appears. What we'll use is connect into. So click on connect into and then select a connector. So we want a sanitary connector. Remember, it's a sanitary system. So select sanitary round 4-inch out, click OK. Now you want to select this pipe because you want this fixture to connect into this pipe using that 4-inch connector. So now select this pipe and it automatically creates that fitting. You do the same over here. Click on this fixture, connect into sanitary out, okay. Click on here. So it connects this fixture, this water closet, into this pipe. Same will do for urinal. So click on urinal, connect into sanitary out 2-inch, click OK, select the pipe, and it will create connection. Similarly over here, connect into this pipe. Let's click on wash basin, connect into sanitary 1/4 inch out, click on the pipe and it will automatically connect it. Similarly over here, connect into sanitary this pipe. So now we have connected these fixtures sanitary 1 drainage system. So when that is done, what we'll do is we'll click on this pipe, the segment that is remaining, and we'll say that cap its open ends. So cap it, click on this pipe and let's cap it. We can also draw a pipe from here. So I can make this pipe go down a little bit, and then I can say that draw a pipe from here, and then I can run a pipe. So because we want slope down now because we are exiting, so click on slope down and let's create this pipe over here. And when it shows you blue line, that means it is drawing horizontally on that axis. So click here, and this is the pipe that will be going out to the sewer. So once that is done, as you come here and hit tab, now you can see that this is the drainage system that we just created, and it also includes that pipe that is going out. In the next video, what we'll do is we will see how to connect the hot water and cold water supply to these fixtures and to this water heater. Thanks for watching.